Hello, I just had an idea fixing a momentary button for my DIY spot welder. This is the my system. It's a lot like Kevin's. He gave me a lot of good ideas to make mine, and I think this button here that was something else before. It was a system that you can put it behind your door, and when somebody going to get in, this thing was pressed and it had an alarm. I took all those things out and I used just a button, this this button here, that it's quite good for a momentary open switch for the spot welder. I took all these things it had inside and I got a free 9-volt battery. I connected to the minus, as Kevin said, and it works very good, and it's very sensitive. It's very sensitive, and I can use it as a foot pedal too. So here I have my rods. I have fixed them this way because independently they work like suspensions. If there is if my rods is not aligned, when you press down the nickel strip they come in a line because they're like suspensions. I had a previous first video a couple of weeks ago, and I will try to put my camera down and make a spot weld, and to show you. I'll put it here with a button, with a momentary switch. I have to put the nickel strip there just to show you the weld. Yeah, it's okay. It's an old battery I had, just to show you what's going on. Perfect weld. You can use it with your hand, with your feet, and it makes very good welds. I hope you liked it. See you guys.